In this video, I will compare three top social media management tools to help you pick the right one for your workflow. We are looking at Postiz, Blotato, and Mixpost. Starting with Postiz, this platform is fantastic for those who want a clean, open-source experience with a focus on simplicity. It offers a great user interface that feels modern and fast. However, it might lack some of the deeper analytics found in premium rivals. Next up is Blotato, which excels at high-volume posting and bulk scheduling. If you manage dozens of accounts and need a rugged tool that prioritizes efficiency over fancy visuals, Blotato is a strong contender. Finally, we have Mixpost. This is a robust self-hosted solution that gives you total control over your data. It is feature-rich with excellent workspace management and a powerful media library. While Mixpost requires more technical setup than the others, the long-term savings are significant. Each tool has a unique edge depending on your technical skills and budget. Choose Postiz for ease of use, Blotato for bulk power, or Mixpost for total ownership.